Gratuity is a lump sum monetary gift that an employer pays an employee at the end of their contract or when he retires from the organization. The rationale for the payment of gratuity is in appreciation of services rendered and also as a retirement benefit. Gratuity is usually paid in a number of circumstances: when an employee retires, resigns, in the event of death of the employee, paid to the nominee appointed by the employee, or disability because of accident or illness. The general rules are it is normally payable upon completion of the agreed contract term, not normally paid if the employer has made arrangements for a pension scheme. However, as long as an employee's contract provides for gratuity, the employee will be entitled to the payment whether or not he is a member of NSSF. Unlike NSSF, an employee does not contribute towards gratuity. It is normally paid at the rate of 1 month's basic salary for every year of service. However, it could be less or more depending on the terms of contract. Gratuity is not payable if you resign before the agreed period of service or if your contract is terminated by dismissal, but you can challenge this in the industrial court for unfair dismissal. In terms of resignation, the contract of employment should state the minimum period that the employee should have served to be entitled to the gratuity. Payment of a gratuity and the applicable terms and conditions are governed by one's contract and by the employer's policies and is offered at the discretion of the employer. It is not a condition for employment. Where the contract provides that gratuity will be payable upon successful completion of a contract and the employee is terminated before the end of the contract through no fault of his, the gratuity will be payable on a prorated basis. Section 35 of the Employment Act of 2007 provides instances where an employee should be paid service pay or gratuity. Section 5 indicates that an employee whose contract of service is terminated upon 1 month's notice or more shall be entitled to service pay for every year worked. However, you can only receive a gratuity or service pay, but not both. Service pay shall be calculated at 15 days' salary for every year worked. It is similar to gratuity, only that it is paid out at the end of employment, while gratuity can be paid at the end of every year or at any time if the employer wishes. Betty Kiptum, The Law.